Today we're showing you what a condo in Thailand looks like, and honestly, it might surprise you. For this price, you would never get something like this back home. Wait until you see what we get for the money. We're giving you a full tour of our condo and showing you exactly what you get living in a place like this. If you're new here, we're a travel couple currently living in Thailand and sharing our journey on YouTube. For the past year, we've been on many great adventures in Thailand and we loved every moment sharing it with you. If you enjoy this type of content, hit the subscribe button. Now, let's get into it. Before we head up to the condo, we thought we'd show you the building itself. One thing we noticed about condos in Thailand is that most buildings have really nice lobbies and security.
You can see it looks very much like a hotel, so yeah, it's quite beautiful. And if you go upstairs, you also see this little study there as well. So yeah, really nice start to the condo, and then I'll show you how security works next.
To enter the building and use the elevators, we actually need a key card, which makes it really safe.
We've got a card that only we can use. You use this scan, we go up, so first level security, and then after that you also need this to actually go up the lift as well.
You get used to how safe Thailand really is, and the peace of mind is so refreshing. This is also one big reason we made the move from South Africa to Thailand.
And on the outside you can see it's absolutely beautiful. We have a nice place that you can sit here, relax, look at the waterfall. We don't spend too much time here, but also just a nice area to get out here and just enjoy the time in the greenery and the trees. So yeah, this is another part and pretty much the main outside area by the lobby if you want a place to relax.
One thing we absolutely love about condos in Thailand is the facilities. Like, what do you even mean we get all of this included for free? It's so amazing. This building has a swimming pool, a gym, and amazing places where you can relax. And the best part of all is that it's all included in your price. We absolutely love this place. It feels like you're at a resort or holiday in Thailand. Also, one thing that makes this condo special is that it has a slide and it makes it just so much fun.
So right behind me, you can see is the slide. Unfortunately, it's not working at the moment. Been on here once or twice and it's been pretty amazing. The water pressure is a bit bad. Yeah, you can see you go up the stairs here. Basically, got your own little fun place right underneath where you live. So you can see as well behind there is a beautiful view of the river. There's always lots of boats that go by and it looks beautiful just sitting here seeing that. There's also a temple right next door. So this is one out of two pools. We're gonna go up now to show you the next pool as well as the other two gyms. There's still a lot to see, amazing things to discover, and also the condo at the end, so stick around for that.
Living in Thailand has been amazing so far. Between living in condos like this and the cost of living, this has been a great lifestyle. One thing that is also very important to have is travel medical insurance. We use Safety Wing because it's specifically designed for travelers and digital nomads.
It's really easy to set up and it gives us peace of mind while traveling. We'll leave a link in the description or you can scan the QR code if you want to check it out.
This is the second pool at our condo and it is gorgeous and breathtaking. It is my favorite pool. It has a beautiful view of the Chao Phraya River and you can see other condos there. This accommodation is amazing. It's close to many shops as well. Here's a sauna room, there's a nice study room. It just has everything that you need.
Alright, so right now we're in the play lounge, which is a nice area. You can come play some pool, but you can see it looks very nice and modern. There's nice views. And when we go upstairs here now, you'll see there's something pretty special and something we haven't really seen in many places as well. So that's what I think makes this place so nice. So let's go upstairs and show you some of the really cool features that I don't think you would expect. So you guys can see exactly what I'm standing on. It's see-through glass. I mean, this is incredible. If you look through here, there's a nice view of the pool, and this is the 30th floor, of course. So obviously you can sit here, chill, study, do your thing, work a little bit. So it's a nice little area. We're gonna head out of the Sky Lounge now. I'm gonna show you something that is absolutely incredible. I've never expected something like this to be up here. I'll show you guys now something really special about this place. Yes, you guys are seeing right. We're actually on the helipad, which is the highest floor here. It literally has views of Bangkok city center, as of the river. It's like 306 degrees. It's absolutely incredible, beautiful. I mean, helipad, you can just walk up here. Like that is next level. So at the moment we are in the first gym and probably the biggest gym over here. So it is quite spacious, but the problem is you can see that there's only one bench and basically there's two people inside here. Then there's not enough space, but there's big enough weights. So we did get our own gym contract. Yeah, it's decent if you come here when it isn't that busy, but if you come inside, you'll see same situation as the last gym, where basically one bench, one cable machine, and the weights a little bit less, but the views are up here. The gym just feels really nice and luxurious, and it feels like a very nice home gym. So you can see 2 treadmills, cable machine, and also the weights. So nice place to come if there's no one here, but not really enough to come consistently. Beautiful views of the pool as well, so it's lovely.
I think it is now time to show you guys our condo. Okay, so we're at my favorite part of the entire condo, our little housey. So we are first in the kitchen area, and usually kitchens or the whole condo comes fully furnished, which makes it very easy to move in. So our kitchen came with a kettle, the fridge, it also came with a microwave. It has a lot of cabinet space, and Tristan and I love cooking together. Having a big kitchen like this was just a plus and actually encouraged me to take this condo. Okay, and then on your right hand side when you enter the condo, this is the toilet, which is Dog Vader and Dog Vader's wife. So here's where the magic happens after you eat Thai spicy food. There's a beautiful toilet, nice, lots of cupboard space where you can put all your toiletries and stuff. Cabinets at the bottom, and then the shower is big. So we love this bathroom a lot. This is the beautiful living area, and we love this space because it just opens up. Oh yeah, so first of all it was actually the kitchen that sold us, and then this couch, and then this table. Yeah, because we like edit and work a lot at the table. That's why this was super important for us. All fully included into the price. We're not paying extra, which is amazing. Like, how can you even explain this? Okay, and then this TV is also included as well. And then nice stairs. This is actually the first place Tristan and I live together which has stairs. So it was just so exciting for us. Different spaces or different units in the apartment block or in the condo has different styles and different accessories, but the bad thing is that this condo doesn't come with a washing machine. It's just a lot of walking and stuff like that, so just keep that in mind. Let me show you guys what's upstairs. Upstairs you have your bed and your closet. We don't have a lot of closet space, but we on Temu or on Lazada, you can buy these drawers and things like that to put your clothes on. It's a cheap alternative. This condo comes with a nice curtain to block the lights in the morning when you want to sleep in on a weekend. The unit does come with 2 air cons, so as we all know, Thailand heat gets really intense this time of the year. Let me show you guys our balcony. So this is where we keep our plant babies here on the floor. If you guys have any advice for us on how to actually not kill them, please share in the comments below. You come here, you can look out the beautiful Chao Phraya River. You can see Bangkok there far, and beautiful bridge, and you can just see all the shops and markets. Temple here at the bottom, and a school. So if you are looking to bring your kids or just come live here with your family, here are options for you. There's a hospital close by. I love this space.
The big question is, how much do we pay for a place like this? We pay about 13,000 baht per month, or about more or less $400 every month, and that includes everything you see inside. So I think it's pretty worth it, especially for a duplex like this. I mean, it's really amazing. So I think a good price for everything that you get.
Overall, living in a condo like this in Thailand has been a really great experience. It's comfortable, convenient, and honestly a great lifestyle. We hope you enjoyed this little tour of our condo. If you want to see more travel and lifestyle videos from Thailand, make sure to subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.